nijaOMRPMT JEE. We will take a look at how this PMT JEE can be used and its various menus and features. Now, it is useful to take a look at what are the activities that are involved in using this particular piece of software. So we will take a look at the activities. So the very first thing which you got to do before using is you download since you can't create the OMR sheet, what you do is you download the template from the website, our website, that is NijaSmart website, and then print or photocopy the OMR sheets. Then you administer the test. That means you give it to your students who will then answer the questions. Question paper will also be framed by you, and then those OMR sheets are scanned, and the facility for scanning is not there in this particular version, so you scan on any scanner that is available to you, and then you can use it. You can use this software to evaluate the OMR sheets. Essentially, it is the evaluation process that is time consuming. The scanning is time consuming, and evaluate manually takes a lot of time. For example, the PMT for each candidate, it takes something like 45 minutes, which you can reduce it to next to nothing if your scanner is high speed enough. Then now we come to the menus. So we have only evaluate. In the evaluate menu, we have NEET paper, NEET or AIPMT. Both are the same thing. That is one type of paper that you can correct. JEEMains you can correct or evaluate. Then JEEAdvanced 1, JEEAdvanced 2, and then unit test. Unit test is basically the A5 size of paper with 50 questions. Then we come to the tools menu. So in the tools menu, we have the options. So in the options, you can specify where you are going to put the scanned sheets. For example, this is one folder where you are going to use the put all the scanned files. So all the scanned files are supposed to be put in one folder. Now you are having another two checkboxes. Delete temporary files. If you don't want those files to be remaining, you can click them once in a while. Then log transactions is useful for troubleshooting, and the report format is normally in the HTML mode. Standardize. So before the thing can be processed, you have to use the standardize menu, and in the standardize, it will ask you to select the directory where the OMR sheets are. That is where you have put the OMR sheets without standardization, and then you click OK. Then you will select the directory where the OMR sheets are to be placed. Standardized OMR sheets are to be placed. This is where you have to put the evaluation folder as the destination for placing the standardized OMR sheets. Then you can also create right answers file by using this particular thing. This is useful only for MCQs, that is the three types: advanced, JEEAdvanced 1 and JEEAdvanced 2. You cannot, because it will have integer questions, and in which case you have to create using manual process. That is, you can edit a available right answer file from our website. Then you have the roll number file. In the roll number file, you can enter the students' names and their roll numbers. Roll number is a 7-digit roll number, and you can add as many as you want by clicking the more, and then after you are through, you say done. Then the standardized A5 is similar to standardized, but it does so for the smaller sheet. Then settings. So here you are having the settings dialog. If you are changing the scanner from which you are doing, you might have to use this. That is, the offsets can be different and you can use this. Then the show corner limits. So you can select the file and see whether the registration of these corner points is within the search area denoted by the red rectangle. So this is actually, if you are having trouble, you can use this particular feature. Then you can close the file that you have opened just now. Then finally we have the help file, and once if you click the contents, you will get the help file. Okay, that has the required information, and you can use it if you have some doubts. And if of course nothing works, you can always contact nijaSmart and we'll be happy to help you out. Then the register is meant for entering the product key after you have purchased the product from nijaSmart. So once the payment is confirmed, we will issue you the product key, and you can feed it into this particular dialog box, and then it will check the status and then activate your software, so that once activated, it's not going to ask you or bother you with this 15-day trial period is over and all that. Thank you.